Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this sultry, vampy look, then stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right into this look. I'm starting off in the Danessa Myricks Groundwork palette, and I'm taking these two shades, making my eyebrows a little bit lighter to match my hair color, and I'm just carving that out with some concealer. So I went ahead and put on some red contacts, and now I'm just working on my eyeshadow. So I'm starting off with this red shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking a fluffy blending brush, and I'm slowly just buffing that into the outer corner of the lid. Then I'm taking this smaller brush, and I'm going in with black and like a cranberry shade, and I'm creating this shape on my eyes, and I'm going to go back and forth and buff that out with the first shade. Now I'm going on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just repeating that step, starting off with the black. Then I'm going to take that same red shade and blend those edges out. I ended up dragging that eyeshadow out to the outer corner to create a winged look. Now I'm just going over the lid with some clear gloss to create a wet, glossy look. Onto the face. So now I'm taking the color correcting concealer from Huda Beauty, and I'm just going under my eyes. I'm going to conceal and then go in with my foundation. Now I'm taking a concealer that's about 2 shades lighter than my foundation and applying that under my eyes, my chin, the high points of my face. And I'm just going to blend that out and set it with the Sacha Buttercup powder. For bronzer, I'm using the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Chestnut. Now I'm going back into the Danessa Myricks palette, and I'm adding black to the waterline, and then I'm going to take the red shade I used on the lid and buff it out. Onto the lips. So I am using the Made by Mitchell color case in black on my lips, as well as the Fenty Beauty liquid velvet lipstick in the shade MVP. Then I'm going back into the color case with this nude to buff it out and create this ombre vampy lip. And here is the finished look. If you want, you can stop here, keep it very sultry, or you can go in and add some special effects blood to add a little bit more gore to the look. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned. We are doing 31 days of Glam and Gore, our Halloween series, and I will see you tomorrow for the next video.